Our school is distinguished from others from being a clean and organized school. Nevertheless, it was still affected by the contamination of used masks being littered around. This is due to the lack of education on mass recycling. For this reason, we decided to create Disposable Mass Basket, or DMB, with the purpose of promoting and educating about the importance of mass recycling. After seeing the problem generated by the mass in our school, we had a task at hand to resolve. We decided to start a campaign to create conscience over mass recycling that would include a smart basket that would show the progress of mass recycling in each classroom. To motivate student use for DMB, for every mass recycled, they will receive a certain amount of green hours that are needed in order to graduate from 12th grade.
Using the Internet of Things, we designed a smart trash recipient that registers the number of masks being deposited by students and school personnel. It uses a Raspberry Pi, an infrared sensor, a breadboard with male and female wires, all connected to a solar battery that lasts approximately 12 hours. We also implemented artificial intelligence. We introduced a model of machine learning to detect when a mask was added to the basket and to differentiate it from random trash being added to it. This is to make sure that the recycling will be consistent. To register the amount of masks being recycled, students will have to scan a QR code where they will fill out the corresponding information on their name and how many masks have been recycled. This way, teachers can see how many masks are being recycled per day by each student and make it easier to award them the green hours.
In order to create conscience on mass recycling, we created a web app where you can find all the information relevant to the contamination caused by mass disposal, information about our app, Disposable Mass Basket, among other things. We used Python and JavaScript to create the counter that displays the amount of mass that have already been deposited. To develop our web app, we used Visual Studio, HTML, and CSS. For the machine learning aspect, we used Load. To create our video, we used Adobe Premiere. While building the app, our biggest challenge was to connect the Raspberry Pi to the web app so that it displays how many masks were inside. To solve this problem, we created an extension from the Raspberry Pi to our web app. The Disposable Mass Basket app is a project created by Jerry Rivera, Dariani Hernandez, Milo Soto, and Sander Roldan.
Recycle mask, the green way.